Hello everyone, Chef Eric here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe down below and hit the like button. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple white forest cake. We're going to start by separating 7 large eggs. I'm going to crack the egg into this bowl and gently pick up the egg yolk and place it into this separate bowl and pour the egg white into the bowl of my stand mixer. Now that I have my eggs separated, I'm now just going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar just to help stabilize the egg whites. I'm now going to place this onto the bowl of my stand mixer with the whisk attachment and whip this up until I have a beautiful stiff peak. Once your egg whites are whipped up to a stiff peak, as you can see mine is, we now want to start incorporating 7 of our egg yolks along with 1 cup of sugar, just a little bit at a time until they're each fully incorporated. We can now grease up our 3 6-inch pans. Here using 3 6-inch pans, you could use 2 8-inch pans or 1 9-inch pan. So I'm going to grease them up with some margarine and line the bottoms with this sheet of packet of flour. These are great to save and they're great for lining their pans with. And if you have parchment paper, go ahead and use that. Once your mixture is looking super light and fluffy, mine has filled up the whole bowl. We can now get to adding in our dry ingredients and we're going to sift them over. So I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to gently fold it in with the help of a whisk. Now we're going to make a simple syrup. A simple syrup is equal parts water and sugar that is heated up to form a syrup. This is what we're going to use to soak our cakes and make sure they remain moist over a long period of time. Today I'm going to be using a 1/4 cup. So here in this bowl I have a 1/4 cup of sugar, and to this I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water. I'm now going to microwave this until it's fully dissolved. Now that we have all our components ready, our sponge cake is cooled. I chilled mine for about 20 to 20 minutes. I have my strawberries here, they've released their juices. My simple syrup is cooled and my whipped cream is ready. I'm now just going to layer them up, give them a crumb coat, final coat, and then you can continue from there. Once you've given your cake a lovely crumb coat, you now want to set this in the fridge for about 30 minutes or in the freezer for about 15 minutes.